What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Battlefield 6 error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game is having a virtual controller, and how we can fix this. This is happening for many users when they're trying to launch the game either on the Steam or they are trying to launch the game on the EA app. So the only one solution is all about, you have to, if DS4 is running on a device, you have to close it or exit it. So to do so, the first one, just go over here the system tray, click on this particular arrow. Now we can see the Daemon Tools Lite is also running and the DS4 is also running. So this issue is happening because of the DS4. I have already updated a video on the issue with the Daemon Tools Lite, you can check it out. So now just go over here, check whether if DS4 Windows is running, right click and go for exit. Now once the DS4 is completely closed from here, that is not enough. You have to go over here, right click and directly navigate to the task manager. Now you have to expand this. Now if you find anything related to the DS4 Windows is running here, any kind of .exe related to the it is running, you have to remove it. Similarly, or any kind of associated things like Daemon Tools, like anything that you find here, you just need to remove it from here. And once it is removed, you have to close this and you have to launch the game and you can check. And also parallelly, make sure one thing, if you have any kind of applications like auto hotkey, DS4 Windows, Eraser, Synapse, right, Vanguard, if it is already installed on a device, or if it is running here in the task manager, you have to end it up. And also if it is running in the device manager, so just right click and directly navigate to the device manager. Now if you expand this, for example, if you go to the storage controller, you can see the Daemon Tools Lite is there. If it is already, if it is enabled like this right now, as you can see, it is enabled. So not only the DS4 Windows, but even if you find anything related to the DS4 Windows like Daemon Tools, for example, auto hotkey, Eraser, Synapse, right, Vanguard, whatever it is, if you find anything here, right click on this one and you have to disable it. Whatever it is, just disable it. Anything associated can be disabled. And also once you remove it from here, you have to check by launching the game. So by trying these steps, most probably that's going to help you guys out. And also you can close any third-party applications like VLC code, wallpaper engine, etc. If it is already there, you can completely close it, or if you're having any kind of third-party like I said, Eraser, Synapse, right, Vanguard, you can remove it from the task manager as well as on the device manager, and make sure it is completely gone from in the DS4 Windows from the system tray as well. So this is what you have to do. Afterwards, you can launch the game, and most probably you'll not be having the trouble with the Steam as well as with the like I said, with the EA Sports as well. You'll not be having the trouble. And this is a quick guide, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.